Greetings everyone, my name is Fru. Make video tutorials on how to use AI for your life. Today I'll showcase Multica, a supremely promising tool that allows you to let your humans and your agent workforce do work in one location. If you come in here for my paperclip videos, I think Multica would be a natural fit. You can assign tasks, track progress, and compound your skills, and then bring in all the different frontier models for this. So it's very, very promising. Now, there are several ways to get through the installation. That's what I'm going to walk through here if you want to get the installation set up. It works very well with Mac. I haven't tried it on Windows, but for those of you who use Mac, I think it's a natural fit. So what I typically do with the installation of this is I typically just leverage Claude to get that installation going. So in here, I went to Claude and asked it to install Multica for me. It went through all of that, and you can see localhost is there and the backend is there. The only decision you have to make through the installation is, do you want to use Docker desktop, or in my case, I use Docker by Upstack. I think Upstack is just more lightweight and was easier to get the setup done. But yeah, so that got me set up. Now here it says, and I did the local setup. It says you can authenticate using the self-host with this. So point to a CLI and run this. So I'll go over to a new CLI here, put that Multica setup self-host. Assuming you want the self-host, click on yes. It should open up a new browser for us. Here, just go ahead and put in your email address. I'll try a couple of email addresses here. Sometimes it's just been a little bit not as straightforward. So it says we sent a verification code there. Now I found it to be interesting, so I would say I'll go back and say what's the verification code, because I was having some issues with the verification code. Sometimes it was 8888. Okay, so now it says 208-785. So make note of that. 208-785. And we now are successful. And the way I did that was simply just asking Claude Code to give that verification code for me. So this is now in localhost. So you can have this as dev3. And I typically just have -m for Multica. And this helps me separate Multica from paperclip. So here is a workspace. You can continue to web. I've done this before. Install the desktop. Let me download the desktop version. I think for those of you that would prefer the desktop, this gives you the view of that. So just download the DMG. I'll get to that here in a second. So the DMG has been downloaded, and that's one of the things I love about Multica. So next, we go back over here. That DMG is downloaded. Let's continue to the web. There will be a couple of questions here that you can ask and answer. 3 questions. Who's this workspace for? Just me. Products, founder, operator. I don't know if that describes me, but that's that. And continue. I think we have to scroll down here. What do you do with Multica? It's plan, manage. I'm just exploring for now. And then what workspace do you want? So go ahead and open up the workspace. It keeps asking for this app. I think I already downloaded the app. Let's just do it one more time. I already downloaded the install CLI. That's fine. There's a cloud runtime. If you want the cloud version, I'm not going with the cloud version, so go ahead and do that. And then add starter task. Let's see. I haven't tried this starter task, but it does come with starter task for you. If you wanted blank, you can obviously go blank. For until now is the Multica. I think I've done some videos on this. You have your inbox, the chat experience. One of the things I love about Multica compared to paperclip in my previous videos is the chat. And then here is your issues. There is a getting started, autopilot, and then your agents. Runtime. It reads all the runtimes on my current machine. So I have Hermes, I have Gemini, I have Pi. So I have all of the above. And now I can use all these runtimes with my different agents. My skills are now loaded. My settings are now loaded. In the future video, I will showcase how to bring in skills. So if you've watched all the AI Ready You, quite in here, we talk about a library of skills. And we talk about how to install those skills. And I'm just scrolling up here just so you can see for the different domains of your life. The use case for Multica we talk about is not Multica for, like it says, coding agents. We're not building code here. We're thinking about how to leverage this as a platform to orchestrate your life with agents that will help you in the domains like your health, your wealth, your taxes, your insurance, your benefits, your calendar, you name it. There's just so much opportunity to apply AI for every individual. And I think Multica could give us that platform other than just chatting with the chat interface like the CLI. I think really having this from a workflow perspective is very promising. I like the light theme usually. I know some folks don't like it. But yeah, in the future video, I will go through setting up the agents. And the way I tend to do the agents would be simply going back here to Claude. So this is my Claude environment with a prompt to say, go ahead and add agents to Multica. And for me, it's very easy. So in the future video, I will hit on that. And I think it will be very exciting to see. But hopefully this gives you an idea on getting your basic setup of Multica for your life. And let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful. This is Fru. I'll see you in the next demo.